Balakarthik. I am from India, Tamil Nadu state. I am studying 8th standard in Sri Savitri Vidyalaya High School, Dindikkal. Now I am going to do Atnak Stay Home Challenge number 1, Pendulum Art Machine. So let's get started. Do you know what is pendulum and how does pendulum work? Pendulum is a fixed object hung from a point so it can swing freely like this. Pendulum works by converting energy back and forth like a roller coaster ride. Do you know who invented the pendulum? Galileo Galilei was inventor of the pendulum. Do you know how pendulum help us? Pendulum is with the addition of creative and critical thinking that will help everyone be a successful problem solver and thinker. I use this water bottle as a pendulum art machine. Now I am going to show a light pendulum art. This I made the same way of color pendulum art. But I take the video with the help of an app that is called Light Painting Camera app. Hope you like this.